Morning, Emma. Wow, you look ready for a big day.
Morning, Jack. Oh, I'm more than ready. I've been waiting all week for this.
I can tell. What's in the bag?
Sunscreen, 2 towels, snacks, and your favorite lemonade.
No way! You brought lemonade? You're the best.
Of course. And I didn't forget water. 2 big bottles of cold water.
Perfect. I brought a ball so we can play on the beach.
Oh, this is going to be such a fun day. The weather's perfect. Sunny, but not too hot.
And I bet the water will be amazing. I can almost hear the waves already.
Me too. Let's go before all the good spots are taken.
All right, let's make it a day to remember.
Oh, wow. Just look at the sea, Jack. The sea is so blue today.
I can smell the salt in the air. I've missed this smell. It's so fresh.
And the sand feels so soft under my feet already. I love this feeling.
Careful, it might be a little cool this early in the morning.
That's okay. It wakes me up.
Let's find a place to sit before it gets busy.
How about over there? Near the water, but not too close, so our things don't get wet.
Perfect. From there, we can see the waves and watch people walking along the shore.
And we are close to the ice cream shop, too.
Ice cream later is a must.
First, let's put down the towels and umbrella.
Good idea. Then we can relax for a few minutes before going for a swim.
Oh, we're swimming for sure. It's part of the beach rules.
And maybe a game of volleyball if we have time.
Absolutely. Today is going to be perfect.
This looks like a good spot.
Yes, we can see the sea and hear the waves.
Let's put down the towels here.
Okay, I'll spread mine out. Can you do yours?
Sure. There. Nice and flat.
Now, let's put up the umbrella.
Good idea. The sun is getting stronger.
Hold it straight, and I'll push it into the sand.
There. It's ready. We have shade now.
Perfect. I'll put the bag here, next to the towels.
And the beach ball can stay in the shade.
Everything is ready.
Now we can relax and enjoy the view.
I feel so happy to be here.
Me too. This will be a great day.
The sea looks amazing.
Yes, the water is so clear today.
Let's go in slowly. The water might be cold.
Oh, yes. It's a little cold, but nice.
I like it. It feels fresh.
Come on, let's go a little deeper.
Okay, but don't splash me yet.
I promise. Maybe.
Oh, you splashed me.
I couldn't help it.
Now I have to splash you back.
All right, I deserve it.
The water feels so good. I could stay here all day.
Me too. This is the perfect way to start our day at the beach.
That was so much fun.
Yes, the water feels amazing today.
Let's dry off and rest for a while.
Good idea. I'll get the towels.
Thank you. I'll take the beach bag.
Here you go.
The sun feels warm on my skin.
Yes, it's nice after the cool water.
Do you want some juice? I brought orange juice in the cooler.
That sounds perfect. Swimming made me thirsty.
Here you are, a cup of juice.
Thanks. That's refreshing.
I love sitting here and watching the waves.
Me too. It's so calm and peaceful.
Let's relax for a bit before we go for another swim.
Agreed. This is the best way to spend the day.
Look, Jack, there's a pretty shell here.
Oh, it's beautiful. It has pink and white stripes.
Do you want to keep it?
Yes, I'll put it in my pocket.
Let's see how many we can find.
Good idea. We can make a small collection.
Here's another one. It's shaped like a little star.
Wow, that's a starfish shell. Nice find.
I love walking here. The water feels cool on my toes.
And the sound of the waves is relaxing.
Look over there, a big shell near that rock.
I'll get it. This one is perfect.
We're finding so many today.
Yes, it's like a treasure hunt.
Let's keep walking. Maybe we'll find even more. Jack, look, there's an ice cream stand.
Oh, perfect. I was just thinking about something sweet.
Me too. Ice cream is perfect for a hot day like this.
Yes, and it will cool us down after all that walking.
Let's see what flavors they have.
They have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and mango.
Mango sounds nice, but I think I'll have strawberry.
Good choice. I'll have chocolate. I haven't had chocolate ice cream in a long time.
Hello. Can we have one strawberry and one chocolate, please?
Of course. One strawberry and one chocolate coming right up. Here's your strawberry, and here's your chocolate.
Wow, they look amazing.
I'm glad you think so. The strawberry is made with fresh fruit from a local farm. The chocolate is very creamy and rich.
That sounds delicious.
I hope you enjoy them. That will be $4, please.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy your day at the beach.
We will. Thanks again. This is delicious.
Mine too. It's nice and cold. It's the best treat on a warm day.
Let's sit on that bench over there. We can see the sea from there.
Good idea. And we can watch the waves while we eat.
The sound of the waves is so relaxing.
Yes, it makes me feel calm and happy.
This really is a perfect beach day.
I'm glad we came. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Maybe next time we can bring friends too.
That would be fun. More people, more memories.
Look at the sky, Jack. The colors are beautiful.
Yes, orange, pink, and a little purple. It's like a painting.
The water looks golden in the sunlight.
This is my favorite part of the day at the beach. Everything feels calm.
I'm glad we spent the day here.
Me too. Days like this make life feel special.
Jack, should we start packing?
Yes, let's put everything back in the bag.
I'll make sure we don't leave any rubbish behind.
Good idea. We must keep the beach clean.
Today was perfect. Swimming, walking, eating ice cream, and the sunset.
Yes, I think this was one of our best beach days.